Welcome to GGH's guide on installing the patented ARCH-LOC adjustable base shoe system, designed and engineered for versatility, precision, and customer aesthetic. Our complete packaging ensures that you have everything you need for a smooth installation process, from the channel to the final details. Whether you're working on a residential project, such as elegant glass railings for a home, or on commercial applications like storefronts, hospitals, shopping centers, offices, and more, the ARCH-LOC adjustable base shoe system ensures both safety and style. This system is suitable for both interior and exterior applications, supporting glass thicknesses from 1/2 inch, 12 millimeters, to 27 by 32 inches, 21.4 millimeters. The ARCH-LOC adjustable base shoe system comes in 2 series to satisfy all needs: the 69 series and the 86 series. Both are available in 10 feet and 20 feet for added flexibility. The ARCH-LOC adjustable base shoe system is available in 4 high-quality finishes: brushed anodized aluminum, matte black anodized aluminum, brushed stainless steel, and polished stainless steel, and custom finishes are available upon request. For secure installations, use 1/2 inch wedge bolt for concrete or 1/2 inch screw bolt for concrete, or 1/2 inch hex lag bolt for wood surfaces. Begin by marking the layout of your ARCH-LOC adjustable base shoe system installation. Ensure proper alignment by using a straight edge and maintain consistent spacing between anchor points. Next, drill holes for the anchors using Grey Goat 1/2 inch drill bit, following your marked layout. Ensure the hole depth matches the anchor length for a secure fit. Position the base shoe in line with the drilled holes and insert the stabilizing washers and anchors. Secure each anchor using a torque wrench to ensure a solid connection. Carefully place the glass clamping kits into the base shoe to secure the glass in position. Next, install the outside cladding based on your desired surface finish. Our cladding comes with pre-inserted gaskets, allowing it to fit perfectly onto the base shoe and ensuring a clean and precise installation. With our ARCH-LOC adjustable base shoe system, you can easily adjust the glass. This flexibility ensures perfect alignment and stability for both interior and exterior applications. Use the Grey Goat custom bent wrench to fine-tune the positioning and lock the glass in place for a secure and long-lasting installation. With the glass secured, proceed to install the inside cladding, which also comes with pre-installed gaskets for a strong and reliable fit. Finally, install the rubber spacers to secure it from debris and moisture. At last, install end caps to complete the installation, ensuring a polished and durable finish for the entire system. After installation, perform final checks to ensure all components are secure and the glass is aligned. Unlock the future of glass hardware with GGH's ARCH-LOC adjustable base shoe system, precision engineered for superior strength, adjustability, and sleek design. Visit our website today to explore the full product range, download CAD drawings, and access detailed installation guides. Experience how Grey Goat's commitment to quality, innovation, and service can elevate your business and ensure flawless installations every time.